Hello and welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. Today we'll explore the Turkish Flavors Gastronomy Fair together. This will be the first part of our video, and I'll share with you the many unique tastes we discovered at the fair. As soon as we step into the fair, we are greeted by the smell of grilled meat. Right at the entrance, Master Şenol, the meatball chef, is preparing sandwiches filled with freshly grilled köfte. Köfte is one of the most beloved Turkish street foods, and when cooked over charcoal, its flavor becomes truly incomparable. The meat mixture used here is also very important. When lamb and beef are combined, the taste of the köfte becomes even richer. While the chef grills the meatballs, that smoky aroma and sizzling sound immediately capture your attention. Right next to it, the famous Oltu Cağ Kebab from Erzurum is being prepared. Some people call it a sideways version of döner, but in reality, it's a completely different dish. Cağ Kebab is made entirely from lamb meat and cooked over a wood fire. Unlike döner, it's not sliced thin. Instead, thick pieces are skewered and cooked, then sliced off and placed back on the grill. This method creates meat that's tender on the inside, crispy on the outside, and filled with that irresistible smoky flavor. It shouldn't be confused with döner because both the taste and cooking technique are completely different. At another stand, stuffed bulgur balls, içli köfte, are drawing attention. Some are lemon-sized, others cylindrical, some round like tennis balls, and a few flat like plates. Each one is carefully handmade and presented in different shapes. Next to them are stuffed dried eggplants and peppers. When you pour a bit of yogurt on top, the spicy filling of the dolmas combines beautifully with the refreshing taste of the yogurt, creating an incredible flavor harmony. A bit further along, we see a chef preparing Adana kebab and grilled chicken wings. The meat on the skewers is neatly placed and slowly cooking over charcoal. The chicken wings are grilled so that the edges are slightly crispy, while the inside stays juicy. Here, the meat, the spices, and the charcoal smoke all come together in a perfect balance of aroma and flavor. The fair also showcases products from Kayseri and Afyon regions. Here we find sausages, Sucuk, made from 100% beef and Kayseri Pastirma on display. The stall looks stunning. The different shades of red meat create a visual feast. These products can be stored for a long time without spoiling. They're not only delicious, but also reflect centuries-old traditional preservation methods. The spice section is one of the most colorful and fragrant parts of the fair. On the counters, there are both classic spices and rare herbs. In addition to well-known ones like thyme, cumin, and black pepper, there are also herbs most visitors have never heard of. Some spice blends are prepared using special recipes like salad spice mix, chicken seasoning, or combinations of 7 to 10 different spices. Visitors smell and taste the spices before choosing their favorites. Here, you can clearly see how important spices are in Turkish cuisine and the depth of flavor they bring to dishes. In the dessert section, we see katmer and künefe being made. Katmer is prepared with thin layers of dough filled with clotted cream and pistachios and cooked on an iron plate until crispy outside and soft inside, offering a truly unique taste. Künefe, on the other hand, is made from shredded filo, kadayıf, and cheese, cooked with butter and served with sweet syrup. When served hot with clotted cream or ice cream, it practically melts in your mouth. This part of the fair is definitely a heaven for dessert lovers. At the dried fruit stand, both Turkish and tropical fruits are displayed together. There are classics like apricots, figs, and grapes, as well as mango, pineapple, and papaya. Their colors, aromas, and flavors are captivating. Some stalls offer mixed fruit packs, combining local and tropical fruits together for tasting. At another booth, we find fruit leather, pestil, walnut sausage, cevizli sucuk, and buckwheat bread from Trabzon. Pestil has a silky texture and gives the pure natural flavor of the fruit. Walnut sausage, made with molasses and walnuts, is a sweet yet filling snack. Buckwheat bread, with its dark color, dense texture, and stone oven aroma, is a true classic. These products reflect Anatolia's traditional, natural, and healthy food culture. The Turkish Flavors Gastronomy Fair once again shows us that Turkish cuisine is more than just food. It's a culture, a tradition, and a way of life. Every spice, every dessert, and every loaf of bread is a reflection of craftsmanship and dedication. This concludes the first part of our video. In the next episode, I'll be back with new flavors from different regions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. See you on our next flavor journey. Goodbye for now.